Hey there, weekend shoppers, market goers, and day trippers. Don't we know each other from somewhere? It's me, the Carry Bag. I've been around for over 12 years. You run into me at supermarkets and in organic shops, at veg stalls, and at picnics in the park, on trips, and at family gatherings. Pretty much anywhere you have things to store, carry, or transport. There's a reason why I'm so good at what I do. I am made of 85 high-quality components, including my ultra-sturdy frame and my soft handle. Stable and robust, I can take on more than 20 liters, though I'm less than 50 centimeters wide and not even 30 centimeters tall. Big little helper, yes, that's what my owners appreciate about me throughout the world. With far more than 50 different carry bag colors and designs to choose from, I'm also quite attractive. People love me like this, or classic, with flowers, or dots, simply minimal, or colorful, with a pattern, or brand new, or like this, or like that. And psst, one more thing. There are so many shopping baskets, but only one true carry bag. I am an original Reisentil, only genuine with a little red tag.